Namaste! Welcome to morning yoga to stretch and strengthen your whole body. If you have props like yoga blocks, thick heavy books, or unopened coffee packages, go ahead and grab those, and otherwise don't worry about it. I'll show you other ways how to personalize the poses and make this practice your own. Then meet me standing up tall at the top of your yoga mat, feet together. Bring your palms together in prayer position in front of your heart. Close your eyes or gaze down your nose. Take a big belly breath in through your nose. Fill your belly, ribcage, and chest with air. Exhale, soften and relax. One more big belly breath in. Fill yourself from bottom to top. Big belly breath out. Empty yourself from top to bottom. Inhale, sweep your arms down, around, and up. Exhale, fold forward from your hip creases. Come all the way down. We will be doing a sun salutation on both sides to warm up. As you inhale, lengthen your spine, place your hands on your blocks, shins or thighs. Come up halfway. Exhale, lower down. Inhale, step your right foot out to the back, low lunge. Exhale, step your left foot to the back, downward facing dog. Lengthen your spine. Press your tummy towards your upper legs. Soften your knees, heels don't have to be touching the ground. Inhale. Come to a full plank or a half plank by dropping your knees down. Exhale, lower yourself all the way down, press the tops of your feet and pubic bone into the ground, peel your chest and chin up for cobra pose or upward facing dog. Place your palms by your lower ribs and hips, press firmly down, press through the tops of your feet and lift your upper body up. Your knees are also not touching the ground. Exhale, release and lower down. Then inhale, bend your knees. Exhale, push yourself up and back into a downward facing dog. Inhale, look forward. Step your right foot forward in between your hands. Exhale, step your left foot forward, standing forward bend. Inhale, lengthen your spine, come up halfway. Exhale, lower down, standing forward bend. Inhale, come up all the way. Bring your arms up. Exhale, unite your hands in front of your heart. Then the left side. Inhale, circle your arms down, around, and up. Exhale, fold forward. Standing forward bend. Inhale, lengthen your spine, come up halfway. Hands on your blocks, shins or thighs. And exhale, fold forward. Inhale, step your left foot out to the back, low lunge. Then exhale, step your right foot out to the back, downward facing dog. Inhale, ripple your body forward, come into your plank pose, adjust your stance, or half plank by dropping your knees down, and then lower all the way down as you exhale. Choose cobra pose or upward facing dog. Exhale, bend your knees, curl your toes under, and bring your knees and hips up and back, downward facing dog. Inhale, step your left foot forward as you look forward. Place your left foot in between your hands. Low lunge. Exhale, step your right foot forward next to your left. Standing forward bend. Inhale, come up halfway, lengthen your spine. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, come up all the way, stand up tall. Exhale, unite your palms in front of your heart. Well done, that was sun salutation A. Then place your feet hip width apart. Stand up tall. Sweep your arms down, around, and up as you inhale. Exhale, fold forward, come all the way down. Bend your knees. Relax your neck. Then really bend your left knee, straighten out your right leg, and you can place your left hand on a block or your left thigh. And then as you inhale, reach your right arm up, twist and rotate your chest open towards the right side for a standing forward bend with a twist. Exhale, release and lower down. Then walk it out, bend one knee, straighten out the other leg, keep alternating just to gently warm up your hamstrings. Then keep your right knee bent, Straighten out your left leg, switching sides. Keep your right hand on your block, fingertips on the floor, or place your right hand on your thigh. And then as you inhale, reach your left arm up. Exhale, rotate your chest towards your left side for a twist. Breathe deeply. Release on an exhale, come back to your standing forward bend. Then take a moment, make sure your neck is relaxed, you're really hinging from your hips. Feel free to take ragdoll pose. Hold on to the opposite elbows and gently sway from side to side. Then slowly, as you inhale, walk yourself back up. Stand up tall. Head comes up last. Bring your big toes together, slightly separate your heels, bend your knees, and then imagine there's a chair behind you. You want to take a seat and come into chair pose. Lengthen your spine, lengthen your tailbone down towards the ground and reach your arms up. Make sure that you can see your toes. Hold and breathe. Take a deep breath in. Exhale. Sweep your right arm down and towards the back, so your left arm is forward, right arm back. Open your chest towards your right side for chair with a twist. Inhale, bring your right arm back to center, switching sides. Exhale, open your chest to the left and bring your left arm down and towards the back. Breathe deeply. Inhale, reach your left arm up, back into your chair pose. Hold it here, keep breathing. If you want to take it a step further, come onto your tippy toes. Breathe. Hug your thighs in towards each other. Nice and strong. Well done. And release. Stretch it up and out. Shake it out. Then stand up tall. Inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, fold forward. If you have your blocks, go ahead and grab those, make sure they're close by, and then step your left foot out to the back. Right knee is bent, right knee is right above your right ankle for your lunge. You can keep your hands on your blocks or place your hands on your knees. Hold it here, scissor your thighs in towards each other. Then place your hands on your hips, open your chest, breathe deeply. Inhale, lift your arms up. Exhale, right hand onto your right hip. You can also keep your right hand on your block. Inhale, lengthen your spine, hold balance. Exhale, gently bend towards your right side for a side body stretch in your lunge pose. This can be a little tricky, so hold balance. If you lose balance, no worries. Gently bring yourself back into your pose. And then as you inhale, come back to center. Exhale, release. Lower your left knee down back into your low lunge, hands on your blocks or framing your front foot. As you exhale, shift your weight and your hips towards the back, straighten out your front leg, your right leg. Flex your right foot for half splits pose. Nice hamstring stretch here. Breathe deeply. Then slowly come back forward into your low lunge. Keep your left hand on the ground. Inhale, reach your right arm up for a twist. Hold and breathe. And then slowly for a quad stretch, begin to bend your left knee and bring your left foot, your left heel towards your left buttock. Your right hand can be reaching for your left foot. You don't have to hold on to your left foot, just reach for it, that's enough. And then slowly release. Come on all fours with your knees directly on your hips, wrists under your shoulders, and flow it out with cat-cow pose. Inhale, drop your belly, lift your chin, cow pose. And exhale, round your spine, chin to your chest. Inhale, neutral spine. Switching sides. Take a deep breath in, step your left foot forward into your low lunge. Keep your hands on the blocks or on the ground, framing your front foot. Curl your right toes under and lift your right knee up. And then you can place your hands on your knees. Hold it. Really hug your thighs in towards each other. And take it a step further if you want. Place your hands on your hips or keep your hands on your blocks. Breathe deeply. Inhale, lift your arms up. Exhale, Lower your left hand and place it on your hip or on your block. Inhale, lengthen your right arm up, lengthen your spine. Exhale, side body stretch to your left side. Hold balance and breathe deeply. Well done. Slowly come back to center as you inhale. Exhale, release. Back to your low lunge. Hands on your blocks or on the ground. Then lower your right knee down. Get ready. Get ready for half splits pose. Shift your weight. Shift your seat towards the back. Straighten out your left leg. Flex your left foot. Breathe deeply. And then slowly shift your weight forward, back into your low lunge. Keep your hands on your blocks or on the ground. Right hand stays by the inside of your left foot. As you inhale, reach your left arm up for a twist. Exhale, come back to center. For your quad stretch, slowly and gently bend your right knee and bring your right foot towards your right buttock. And reach with your left hand towards your right foot. No need to hold on to your right foot. Just reach for it and you'll feel this in your quad, in your right quad. Well done. And then slowly release. Back to your lunge pose. And then from there, slowly come into your downward facing dog. Inhale. Come to your plank or half plank by dropping your knees down. Exhale, lower yourself all the way down. Inhale, zip your legs together, press through the tops of your feet and pubic bone. Peel your chest and chin up, cobra pose, hold and breathe. Exhale, lower your forehead down and push yourself back into a child's pose. Take a deep breath. And you can take diamond shape with your hands by placing the tips of your index fingers together, tips of your thumbs together, creating a diamond. Stay here for about a minute. Breathe deeply. Allow your body to soften and melt into the earth. You can imagine or visualize your deep breaths are like the ocean waves washing over your body, inhaling and bringing in peace, health, all the good things, and exhaling tension and all the stuff you don't need. On your next inhale, slowly push yourself up and come into a seated position. Take a seat in a cross-legged position to close our practice together. Take a deep breath in. Circle your arms up. Gather all the love and light and positive vibes into your whole being. Exhale, unite your hands and draw your hands down in front of your heart in prayer position. Take a moment to thank yourself for taking this time to committing to your yoga practice. And thank you so much for joining me. May this practice be a blessing to you, from my heart to yours. Thank you so much for practicing with me. Sign up now for your free Blissful Morning Guide by clicking the first link below this video. Just enter your first name and email and I'll instantly send it to you. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already for new free yoga and meditation videos every Tuesday. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your family and friends, and let me know in the comments what your favorite part was. And I look forward to seeing you soon again.